What's up guys, welcome back to another Technical Tuesday. In today's video I actually plan on showing you guys how to take the sump off. I've been meaning to take the sump off of my engine for quite some time and I need to do another Technical Tuesday, and I think today is the ideal day to take the sump off. Yeah guys, so my goal's been set and today is the last day, but this video is not gonna go live before Tuesday. So we got close to the goal. I've got a Formula 1 racetrack in front of my house, it seems. But yeah, so okay, the goal was to reach 100 subscribers before the first. We were very close, and once again, thank you very much for everyone's support. It's been an awesome month with the start of this channel. So I actually did an oil service on the Beamer yesterday. You guys can see there Bella, she got an oil service yesterday. I do oil services on that car every 10,000. BMW recommends every 15 or 20. I'm not going to comply to that. I just do it every 10,000. Even though I do travel a lot of kilometers with that car, yeah, it actually takes like close to 7 liters of oil. So every freaking time I have to do oil service, I buy 1 liter cans. So yes, another thing, I bought something pretty cool this weekend. I placed a nice order. So if you guys see an improvement in my video quality and in my audio and so forth, yeah, just know I made a pretty cool purchase. So yeah guys, let's get to that sump service and let's see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so this engine's been standing for 2 weeks now. I haven't done anything in the past 2 weeks. Basically, work's been getting to me. I've been back to the office and yeah, I haven't had much time to do anything. I'm still waiting on some parts. I'm still waiting on some things. So yeah, I thought today, let's do the oil service. As I've shown you guys, you can see all the RTV on here. That's the main thing for me. But yeah, it's gonna be a mission to get the sump off, mainly because of all the freaking RTV that was used on here. So yes, let's see how it goes taking off the sump. I want to take it off, I want to clean the pickup, and the other thing as well is with my engine stands design, the one bolt that's in here is in the sump and the bottom one there as well. So I'm gonna depend on these two bolts, this one in the block here and this one in the block there. They are strengthened bolts, so I think they'll be up to the job. So yeah guys, let's take the sump off. Let's see what it looks like inside. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse.
Broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
Alrighty guys, so after some prying and a bit of bashing, I managed to get the sump off. Yeah, things don't look too bad here at the bottom. Doesn't seem like any work has ever been done on the bottom end. Seems like there's a little bit of, looks like RTV there inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off, clean it up, and here's the sump. So I'm actually really impressed. No like any particles inside of here. So yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna give it a clean, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get to the cleaning tonight. It's actually a bit later. I had a few friends that came over. So yeah, that was just a basic video on how to take the sump off. I'll update you guys once I do clean it and everything like that. Hey guys, so I managed to get the pickup off, and yeah, as you saw in the previous video, the sump is off as well now. And yeah, so I cleaned the pickup a bit and I found a bit of metal debris in the pickup. So I don't know what it's from. I can't specifically identify what it is. So is it possibly something to worry about? I don't know. But yeah, I did manage to find it in there. There's a little bit of RTV left inside of this pickup. So I'm thinking of maybe cleaning it with diesel or something. I'll see what the best options are. But yeah guys, so basically your pickup just bolts on with 2 bolts. It's got a seal here that it seals on and goes directly into the pump, and it distributes it in the block and in the head. So yes, I'm going to continue cleaning or trying to see if I can get all the stuff out of the pickup. And yeah, once it's cleaned, I'm just going to put the pickup back on and put the sump back on. I'm just going to clean the sump as well. And yes, then the goal is to then put the sump back on, put some RTV on it, and yeah, let's see how it goes. But I think for now, yeah, I got most of the debris out of the pickup. I can see a little bit inside of there, so I'll continue to clean it. But yeah guys, that's about the process of cleaning the bottom end. I'm also going to take the plates off there and just inspect the bottom end of the engine, but it's kind of difficult turning the engine over man alone. So maybe once I have a friend that can assist me, then I'll get to that. But cool, that's about it for now.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
As I've explained, I need to get the motor back together in order to put it back in and start prepping everything for the turbo to come and finishing off Pamela. So I'm quite excited, and yeah, so I've planned out everything. I know what I'm gonna do, and yeah, there's not too much work left to do, but what is left to do is still quite a job. So the goal is to put the sump back on, put the pickup back in, and yeah, after that I would really like to see if I can do the cam belt. Otherwise I'll do that this weekend, and we'll see how we can progress. I'm really sorry about all the cars and the bikes and everything guys. It's a bit late in the afternoon now, it's 4:30. So yeah, let me show you guys what's left to do and how we're gonna approach it. I haven't touched this engine in quite some time. Sorry about that light guys, I probably should have disconnected it. Let me just take it out here. Okay, yes, so to do cam belt I need to take this pulley off. To take this pulley off, it's these 4 bolts here, easy as that. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to see, so let me get you guys some light. But right there is 4 bolts that needs to be addressed, and then after that I need to take this roller off right there, and the tension is already off. So yes, I got the sump quite clean last night. I can show you guys most of it is quite clean. I'm gonna go over it one more time, and then finally, that's why I had the light here, I need to clean the bottom of the block here and get all this silicone off. The pickup is not on there anymore, you guys can see the pickup is actually right here, and I cleaned it last night. So yes, let's see how it goes. I'm pretty sure I can get this sorted for today, and I'm pretty sure once all of that is done, then yeah, then I can almost put the engine back in. I want to do the timing so that I can do the injector lashing. So yeah, once that injector lashing is done, small things left, and we're nearing the end, boys. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys in the time lapse, and I'll explain a bit on how I'm gonna put the sump back on, but I don't want to bore you guys too much. So yes, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse, and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I'm kind of done. This is as far as I'm gonna go with this sump. I think it's clean enough to go back on. Clean enough in terms of the actual pan ends here. I got most of the RTV off. I just have to put some, or go over it with a wipe or something and just give it that final finish. I'm quickly gonna go and empty the sump, get all this RTV out, get everything clean inside, and then I'm gonna put it back on. So yeah guys, close to the end on putting the sump back on. I need to still clean the block, I forgot about that, but it's not too much work, so I'll get to it, and we're almost done.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there.
Okay guys, so we basically have a clean sump now. I'm gonna use something stupid, but that's the only actual thing I have at this moment in time that will work. Then I'm gonna use toilet paper and try and get up all this oil that is inside of here. Yeah, it's a messy job, but I have to somehow get it all out. Okay guys, so I'm at the point of applying some RTV now to the sump. The sump is clean, the block is clean, the pickup is clean, so I'm gonna quickly assemble everything again. I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you the sump here. I don't know how good the lighting is, but it is pretty clean. This is the best I can do. So I'm gonna apply the RTV now. I've got some high temperature instant gasket maker here. Let me just get under the light so you guys can see it better. I got this with my Vanos kit that I imported from the UK. So brand Silver Hook. Never heard of it, but yeah, I think it's pretty good. It's high temperature, and the best of all is it is see-through, which is pretty cool. So you won't be seeing any like black or any gasket maker at the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse, and let's get this sump back on.
Leaving you alone is the hardest. Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration.
Unfortunately, my camera's battery died and I couldn't successfully record the time lapse, but it was at the point where I was just tightening the bolt, so you guys saw the whole time lapse of how I installed the sump. I'm in two minds about how much RTV or gasket maker I used. I applied quite a bit. I don't want any leaks, but let's see how it goes. I'll monitor it, and yeah, the sump is back on now and I'm pretty happy. Now it's just to do the timing, and once the timing is done, guys, then yeah, I can put the engine back in. I need to do the injector lashing as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions about how I did the sump, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, if it was informative, and if you just enjoyed the content overall, then yeah, feel free to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.